My tool pouch is missing. I checked the truck bed twice. Under the seat, by the tailgate, by the cracked old ice. I had it this morning, right by the garage door. Now it's just a ghost on me, like it ain't mine no more. I turned the whole place upside down, looking every little corner now. Keys in my hand, sweat on my brow. Tell me, baby, where it went now. My tool pouch is missing, can't find it again. My tool pouch is missing. Where'd you leave my friend? My friend. I got nails in my pocket and dust on my jeans. My tool pouch is missing. Come back to me. I got a screwdriver lonely, rolling loose in the sink. Take a measure on the counter, like it's trying to think. There's a wrench by the doorway, a bit and a box of screws. But the one thing I'm needing is the one I can't use. I turned the whole place upside down, looking every little corner now. If it worked off, it better come round. I need that pouch tonight somehow. My tool pouch is missing, can't find it again. My tool pouch is missing. Where'd you leave my friend? My friend. I got nails in my pocket and dust on my jeans. My tool pouch is missing. Come back to me. Maybe I'll set it down on some bad old habit day. Maybe somebody borrowed it and forgot to say. If you see it on the shelf or hanging by the light, just put it in my hands and make it right.